Good morning, Father Finesse and Zeffy. Yeah, Quango did. Q did, Awooks. Quango crazy. He's one of my boys. Man, I don't know if I'm gonna round trip this soul this time. I might TP. Here. It's holding that 100, man. This is pure chop market, fam. Pure chop market. It is unfortunately pure chop market. I'm looking at this soul trade and I'm just thinking I'm just wondering if I close it. I don't know if I feel comfortable in this soul trade. Yeah, this is a really unfortunate market right now, fam. We are still holding the higher low. It's simple as that. We are holding the higher low. This is still a bullish scenario, right? But if you kind of zoom out, you start zooming out to some important time frames. Let's say the 3 hour, because there's 8 of those in a day. You know, 8 3 hours in a day. We've been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've been trending down pretty heavy. We got low volatility on this candle. You know what? You know, it's just one of those like. All right, so here's Inge kind of doing the same thing. Very low volatility on this 3 hour, 2 hours, 55 minutes. Stock market has low volatility on this open. Okay, so we did dip. It looks like we're pumping back up, and this is a pretty ugly look to the start of the day, right? Like we're coming back. Gonna try to fill this gap here, but I don't know if we're gonna fill it. I don't even know we have that gap. Futures, nah. So we do have this gap here though on S&P. So we got um pretty nice gap we could backfill if, look, it's not if we do start to backfill this fam today on the S&P, there is a direct correlation between Bitcoin and the S&P, especially in ranging Bitcoin. Okay, this, you can see this 1 hour's got some pop here. They popped it up in the first 6 minutes of this new 1 hour candle. It's holding this trend line. It's, it's really bleeding. That's what the 3 hour looks like. It's bleeding down. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost an entire 24 hours of consecutive red candles on the 3 hour, but they are holding structure. At the end of the day, you want to sit here and be bearish at this structure lows. We've seen it a million times at 25K, 26K, whatever number you really want to call out of a heavy range that Bitcoin's been in the past. And this is a very typical bear trap. I don't know if I'm shorting Bitcoin here, but as far as I'm concerned, most of these alts, yeah, again, look at here it is. Souls bouncing. Most of these alts look like distribution. I will say this: I'm really happy that this 3 hour closed red, and it closed red in the last 5 minutes on Solana. We have compression here. It could easily get another wick up. I don't know if it has it, but I do like the short setup here, fam. Personally, on Solana. If you're not in the Discord and you didn't already see that, the real reason is because I have this 12-hour pivot, and this 12-hour pivot, fam, let me just tell you, this 12-hour pivot is not 100%. There's no 100% indicators, variables, whether you study flow or whether you are, you use reading the tape, or like whatever you want to talk about, whatever your strategy is, there's no 100%. Anyone and everyone will tell you that. But this 12-hour on Solana has this nice pivot here, and you can see it's obviously a red candle and it's ticking up on the red, but this is the zero volatility on such a beautiful pump. And the fact that we did, look, if you're drawing a meme line, it broke the meme line. Okay. If you're drawing a meme line, it broke the meme line. But as far as I'm concerned, this is still a lower high, and it needs to break over 104 for me to 105, really close over 105, let's call it that, for me to be bullish here. And I have no problem flipping bullish. So that's kind of what I see here on Solana. I think this is a great setup right here personally, with as weak Bitcoin's looking. Did I move a Bitcoin chart? I think I did. Coinbase. Where did I make my bits? There it is. Fat finger here. And here's another look. We got a 12-hour pivot. 12-hour pivot here on Bitcoin. This is very low volatility, very fragile. We'll call this fragile right now. There is no, I don't have a clear signal here. I will tell you this. That red candle right there engulfing, most of the time on a zero, like a flat volatility like this red candle right here, really a bearish red candle in my opinion, usually pivots down. Okay, so this would be an expansion down coming on the 12 hours. I don't know if that's the play. I guess we could call it a little bias, but it could be an expansion up on Bitcoin. It's really hard to say with the 12-hour currently. You can see this volatility. It's very low, and it's very sensitive. It's fragile, like I said. This is going to move here in the next couple minutes. If you just continue to watch that, we could even lower the RSI. But we do have, look, we still have a chance to move up. We certainly have a chance to move up, fam. This is lower highs for now on the 4-hour, on the 3-hour. It's got low volatility right now. They could push it up. They could push it down. There's going to be a big move coming really, really soon. A lot of the EMAs and MAs are pretty bearish, right? You go over here to the daily, right? Look at how the daily closed yesterday. We closed over the 50, right? We closed here, closed below it, closed over the 50, and now we're kind of bleeding down, but there is a lot of absorption here. So this daily suggests, and like that 12-hour, that we could hold here, or this whole thing is bought back up. that's the scary part. I think this could definitely be bullish. And if this is bought back up, coins like Solana, I'll watch this here, which is obviously had a pretty aggressive move. If you were in the Discord, I said last night at the close, if it holds 96 here, then you're good to play the long, right? And it certainly did hold 96 overnight. And if you had played that long, you definitely are in the profit. But currently, right now, am I playing that long? I did 49 minutes left in this 1 hour. I'm waiting. I'm definitely going to wait for this 4 hour to close. I think there's definitely too much volatility going on right now between Bitcoin and alts. Unfortunately, I'm just not comfortable taking a trade. I like playing the volatility, but do I think do I think Solana can move up? It certainly could. This is not an area that I'm looking to long though. Okay? This is not an area I'm looking to long. Again, if you had played the 96 invalidation overnight, you had that long here. Even when I woke up, it was lower. I think we were at I woke up, it was chatting. So it was 98.40, 98.60 when I woke up. Yeah, is big Solana and Inge is another one I've been watching. Although I don't like this 1 hour here on Inge. This could actually be another good play here. 1 hour about to cross bearish, got volatility in Inge Bitcoin, also tanking through the 1 hour EMA and MA. It's funny because this structure, right? Look at this structure. The structure looks 1 hour looks just like kind of this could be, right? Like this could be guess it's Inge and spend a little more time up here. I like the Inge short. I'm not gonna lie, this Inge short is already playing out. This is gonna be a juicer in my opinion. This suggests that Bitcoin could be going down, but rotational alts, so Inge going down could be pumping Solana. I really like this Inge short. 1 hour volatility picking up, losing the 1 hour 21 EMA and 50 MA. That 4 hour. 4 hours kicking up in volatility. This is the exact same thing you could see on Solana right here. Distribution over here. Look at Inge. Inge broke out, fam. Inge broke out here, and I told everyone right here, I said, look, Inge looks bullish. As long as we hold that 39, really, it's right there. As long as we hold that 39.50, 39.60 area, really it's 39.60, right? You don't want to be wicking down past these closed bars, but Inge looks good up here, but with the way the volatility looks right now on 4 hour, it's heavy. Let's just put it that way. The 1 hour confirms it. Inge is heavy right now. This is a bearish cross about to happen, which I can go through every example where there's been a bearish cross. Here's a bearish cross, right? For that move on the 1 hour. This is pretty choppy right here. Here's a bearish cross right here. Still a pretty good move. Bearish cross right here. Still a pretty big move, fam. Bearish cross right here. Big move. I mean, like even this minimal move right here, that's as a scalp, I think Inch is gonna go from here. It's gonna definitely go to those lows, 39.50 as a scalp play. Bitcoin holding on, got a bearish cross in the 1 hour. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's heavy. I think that daily is a little concerning. I don't like this daily look for being bearish on Bitcoin. Okay, I don't like this look, but there's definitely plenty of opportunities out there when it comes to alts. Unfortunately, Solana is kind of one of the stronger ones. I picked. I think this is a good short opportunity, but gonna have to. I want to check. Start light. Pull it up, baby. Trading light. Here we go. Got logged right in. I love to see it. Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumping right now? It looks like it is. 702. Okay, let's look at Solana. Look at Solana Coinbase here. Yeah, we could. It's got a pretty big woo! Look at that heat map here. Right? We got a pretty big sell block here. What is this, about $1,000 sell block? Or a 33, 30, 40, about 40K Solana sell block here on Coinbase. This is spot. Could look at Inge too. That's a good one. Let's check out Inge real quick. Yeah, Inge has that same look. Look at this. The wall here kind of distributed underneath it. All right, let's go keep this off to the side here. We're gonna put on another song in the background. Yeah, Inge is already a good short. I mean, it's obviously already led into that short, but Inge is a really good short in my opinion. I'm gonna keep watching the Solana over here. But look at this Inge. Okay, I got a lot of signals here, fam. Since I put this up, I put it up way higher. Take it right now. It's kind of one of those market trades. I easily could just scalp it to 39.50 at this point, even if it's a 50-cent point, trade small. That's 1%, 1.24%. This is gonna go to the lows, and something suggests personally. Look at this 12-hour, right? Look at this 12-hour. This could go even deeper. In fact, this 12-hour has the same signal as Solana. Here it is, 0 volatility candle. Okay, great looking candle, and the volatility is now kicking up here. Solana, kind of same thing. 12-hour. Okay, look. Someone was arguing with me. Okay, it broke this trend in the Discord. And I won't pay any attention to that, but I was watching the 12-hour close. I wake up after the first 12-hour close of every day. That's right. I wake up before then. I'm an early bird. So I wake up before then, and when I do wake up before them, I go immediately, check the charts, enjoy some coffee, make some breakfast, check the charts again. And I was like, damn, Sol looks good. Sol looks good. This could be it. This could be it. And what was I looking at for it? I was looking at that 50 MA. Simply the 50 MA, fam. I just wanted to close over that 50 MA. That's it. Just close over that 50 MA and give me a little hopium. Me, I'd turn bullish up there. I would have turned bullish up there. Even after the shit 0 volatility candle, I might have had to turn bullish up there. But I had the sell signal here. Completely pumped, right? But there's no volatility. We didn't close over that 50 MA. They had a chance. They were fighting it the last couple minutes. That close. So yeah, that was it from me. It was that 50 MA on the 12-hour. That's all I wanted to see. And I think that there's a chance it could push up. Maybe I'm wrong. But this is distribution, fam. And the main guy that's showing it right now is Inge. Look at this. We broke out. But I wasn't buying. You know why? Because I was like, all right, look. Until we close over that 42, I ain't turning bullish. Right? I want to see us close over that 42. Close over that 42 from me on Inge, and I'll get bullish. Like super bullish, right? Like super bullish. And again, we hold this 39.50. Let's say Bitcoin holds here. Bitcoin could hold here. 3-hour bleed, 3 hours in a row, but it could hold. Okay. And if it does hold, then I'm down to play the alts. I'm down to play Inge. I'm down to play Solana. I think those are. I would love to play the big movers, right? The big movers. We're gonna go check on Sue. I know it hit back into entry overnight, and it didn't hit my TP. So I got stopped out. I had stops in fucking profit. Okay. But anyways, I gave this Sue setup yesterday on stream, and you know, it barely hit entry by 1 cent, to be honest. But either way, I took the trade. I actually aped a little bit late because I didn't get filled, and that's what I'll do. I'm not a person that's gonna sit there and, you know, I'll get in a couple dollars late, and I put my stops in profit, and it, you know, it almost got to the 136. I really want to see that 136 retested. You see there's a retest here coming, and we could see it here, to be honest. We could see it here. I'm just looking at some options. Very low volatility on this 1 hour. You know, I don't know if Sue's gonna push, but a lot of the smaller coins are going right now. Ches, we're gonna talk about Ches here, fam, because Ches was one of those coins that I shilled back. Well, I shilled this 2.5 months ago, fam. There's streams all about Ches. There is streams all about Ches. I'm not gonna even be like that guy, you know, but you know, there's all kinds of streams on this move breaking out here. That was a good 20% move yesterday. I liked that. You know, if you had played that, you would have liked it too. So that was a good just spot play. I was showing the spot play on streams a few weeks ago, the Ches move, and it ended up happening. It took a little bit longer than most people, you know, wanted to wait probably. So I don't think much, you know, most people actually get into that. Even if, you know, you make a call and whatever. I didn't add any more Ches right here, so that I didn't even play the move myself. I'll be completely honest, the spot move, but that was a good spot move. I'm definitely going to be checking out Ches. This is a good weekly close, right? If we can keep it up here. We got acceptance in this new range, this new weekly range. I think we could get, you know, push up here to 17 cents. There's going to be a lot more space. It's not going to be a straight up move, but I would say that there's definitely a lot more space on Ches. I'd like to see that wick taken out minimum, right? Maybe even get half the wick. I've seen that. That's like a new trend. Half the wick. You know, I got some boys using that. So even if you went for half the wick, that's a 54% move on Ches. Let's watch that weekly close going into the week. TRB. Okay, let's talk about TRB. I think TRB looks like I found a little bounce here, a little support. We were talking about this actually. This is the line. The hold there for TRB broke above. TRB is probably gonna fill half this wick too, I'm assuming. That's 148% move on TRB. I know TRB isn't a crazy perp one. Like you can't trade too hardcore on TRB perp, but I do like that one. I do like that trade. I think that's good. That's a good setup right there. How's the Bitcoin looking? It's at 42,561. All right. So yeah, I mean, shit, dude. Let's check out some other. I want to check out ICP because I know it had a big move. It was consolidating. You know, ICP looks good here. I'll tell you what, I don't like this curl, right? You guys all see that? ICP has a really ugly, you know, arc here. You'll call it. This is, it's kind of what, you know. This is not the greatest look. And talking about meme lines and playing meme lines, look, this is a higher low for right now, and I think that personally, you know, it has a chance to push up, but you know, I don't like this structure too much, fam. This structure right here, that line. It's just kind of like a descending triangle. ICP looks bearish. Could definitely be at a top here. Let's see this fib right here. Where'd that fib hit? Golden pocket, under the golden pocket. Oh, distribution right there. And that's a 1, 2, 3 tap at the golden pocket rejection, fam. ICP looks like we're definitely going to be filling that wick minimum. I like that. That's a really good, you know, if we get this dead cat, though, that's really what I'm looking for. Could we get a dead cat from ICP? Let's see here. Let's check out the local fib here. You know, this would be probably the best setup for, and you could play this tight. You know, that'd probably be the best setup. If that filled, that'd be a great fill right there. Love to see that. Love to see that fill.
The only way we can cope with situations is through a chemical. Then we're not really much of a person.
Could definitely see a squeeze. Look at that. You can. This is a. Give yourself a little more room here. Let me look at some local time frames, some fair value gaps here. We filled that. That was a nice fill. Certainly could see that. That'd be a nice area, right? I'm just thinking if you get a fill on ICP, where would you fill it, right? I really think this would be the fill, this bigger box up here, on a short. Here's the golden pocket, fam. That golden pocket, I can't stress that enough. It is a, look at the macro move on ICP here, fam. Look at this. Here's the GP sitting under that GP on the daily. Nice look at distribution. Yeah, I mean, you could probably see this across the board here now. Solana looks pretty good. Now it's I want to see this 10-minute cross. It's got some time. We can chop here for a lot of this is chop, fam. This is chop really hard to you know, you're wanting to short up here and you're wanting along here. Otherwise, you're not touching it in here. That's straight up the truth. Oh, this shit's dope. Yo, what's up, Chris? Yeah, somebody gave you a quiet chat. Say, yo, chat, give me some coins. Give me some coins. Not like send them to an addy. Like, give me some coins to look at. Let's look at some Tia. Kind of has an ICP look, I'm guessing. Oof. You guys want to see something cool? Let's talk about Tia. Definitely a good chart, right? Damn, Tia's ugly right now, fam. Just had a 2-hour cross. Ugly 2-hour coming in right here on Tia. At support. Uh-oh. Look at this, fam. This is kind of how all the coins are looking, right? This is crazy. I'm guessing this is the highs here. I'm gonna get rid of that. Whoa. Bitcoin dominance doesn't look too crazy. Look at the daily doesn't look great for Bitcoin or alt. I mean, it looks great for alts, but what alts are pumping right now? Oh, S&P's down 0.7. NASDAQ 1.2. NASDAQ's got its daily trend though. This isn't over yet. S&P looks definitely worse though. Look at that, losing the daily trend right now. Low volatility though. Ooh. How is this gonna go? This low volatility is the same look on Bitcoin. Man, this could either be a god. That could be a god signal down. That's what's crazy. I'll tell you what, the person that decided to try to counter trade my soul fucking short is hating themselves right now. Hating themselves. Let's check out OLAS. Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah, bro. Let's check out OLAS. I know nothing about it, but I'm down to check it out. It's a Uniswap. I knew it was coming. I knew there was some truth behind that Uniswap. All right, let's check this shit out. Okay, a pretty ugly 3-day. Buck 9 left on that 3-day. Daily. Now this is a pretty. Where is this? Yeah, Uniswap again. Let's check it on Dex. Let's go check it on Dex Screener, huh? We'll pull up this for right now. Pull up some biddy. Some low times for OBL 101. Yo, thank you for that follow. Yeah, let's pull up some biddy. I want to watch that 5-minute here. See if we can close over that. Dex screener here. This is a dope song. Because Dex Screener's got a little bit better data. Really, for all those Dex coins, yeah, you want to do this. I'm assuming the first one's it. Yeah. The 1 hour looks pretty bad, my man. Liquidity 17 million. You gotta like that liquidity though, huh? 17 million. Well, I just don't. Ooh. I don't know, my man. I do like buying fear. I do. But you know, let's pull up some historical volatility. Low volatility. Nah. Alts aren't having fun right now. Alts are not having fun right now. Let's check out that total too right now. Is that wick still there? No, they got rid of the wick. I took a picture though. All right, so 2 hour low volatility here. We got potential cross. We got squeeze going on right now. We got a squeeze going on that one. You guys all see JLP? I just want to make sure you guys are all getting checked on. You know, we're getting our updates, right? JLP, baby. Go buy some more JLP. Go buy some more JLP. That's all I gotta say. It's already up a significant amount. Yeah. It's already up a significant amount, fam. Check out OLAS. Yeah, again, I don't like OLAS too much there. I like this. You can buy it, go buy some. It's a highly liquid coin. It says 488, but that's just on Orca. The Jupiter exchange has all the liquidity. So 100%. Let's go check out Inge again. Let's get back to that Inge, baby. Look at that total too. Send us lower. Let's look at that 4-hour total too. Oh, it's heavy. Come on, baby. All right, Inge. Inge, this is gonna be a. This could be quite the 4-hour close here, fam. This could be quite the 4-hour close here for everything. Wow. Let's go check out that biddy. Here's the 8-hour close. Don't love it. Don't love a red body candle. Don't love that 4-hour on Bitcoin. That is a very disturbing volatility candle also. Open a short on DOT. Let's check out DOT for you. This looks so dope. Here we go. This song. I just want to provide the best beats and the best teaching I possibly can. All right. If anybody has questions on an EMA, an MA question, the volatility, I'd be glad to answer any of those things. I try to keep it very simple. It's a very simple, you know what I'm saying? It's a very simple system, strategy, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, you know, Dot's right there at support. I wouldn't open that short quite yet. Could get easily, you know, very low volatility here. Just don't love the fact that we're not kind of bleeding through this yet. So this is support. I don't, you know, if you look at most of this stuff, we're kind of range trading. Let's kind of break that down here. Here's a 4-hour. All right, here's the bottom. You know, I'd argue this is kind of the top. And then everything in between right here. You know, we're right there. Very low volatility. The move could be down. You certainly could be right. I mean, it's just a volatility indicator you're using. Are you using a paid feature? Is that volatility indicator you're using a paid feature? No, it's not a paid feature. No. No, this indicator is no longer available on TradingView though. Yeah. But I've had it. They just haven't. I guess I'm allowed to have it as long as I guess I'm allowed to have it as long as I you know, pay my membership or whatever. It's all about the money for them. You know, they just want to make sure as long as you're paying for your membership or TradingView, they're probably not going to take it away from me. I have some other ones though. I got some other ones that are better. I want to check out Soul Bitcoin real quick. Soul Bitcoin here. All right, so pretty, you know, One Ali, thank you for that. One Ali. Yeah, you know, this is still a bear flag on Sol Bitcoin. Another reason why you gotta be careful with this, you know, playing the meme line, right? So this is distribution. Distribution takes a long time. And because distribution takes a long time, I expect these meme lines to break. You're not gonna sit under this meme line forever. We're gonna break, we're gonna trap some longs, and that's kind of what Sol did. As well as Inch, right? We got an Inch Bitcoin here. Same thing, right? Very, very similar to Solana. Oh, under the meme line. That's great. You know, look up here. Well, look, fam, I hate to tell you this. If you're not playing your Bitcoin pairs, then you're really at a disadvantage in this market. And this is, to me, this is kind of a range here on the 4-hour, top to bottom on Inch. And I saw us up here at the top. I said, hey, look, there's a chance we could break it. 42K was kind of the level, but now Inch, yeah. And just getting down to that level I told you here, that 1 hour here. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see the reaction at 39.50 for Inch. Solana coming down pretty heavy, right? Really nice move. And you know, it's not over yet. Unfortunately, I want to, you know, wave the checkered flag here, but it ain't over. And this market can continue to chop and continue to chop and continue to chop. But you know, eventually the party ends, right? And I personally think that Solana has to see 80, 75, 80 before a bounce here. Let's bring in again. Let's pull up the trading light, right? Chart here, and there's clear sell wall here, right? Look at these sell walls too. I mean, look at this. This is the 1 hour hit. We had a wick here. They put the sell wall up there. You know, pushing the price down right now because, well, there's sellers above it. Look, these are smaller orders right here. Smaller orders. Big wall right here that was hit. This was, you know, at 9,000 Sol unit sell. And then kind of below, you see some plunge protection showing up here now. A lot more at 85, a lot more at 80 than that was there yesterday. We got some, but they got some real ones down here, you know, 64, 60, 55. Something crazy happens. The crazy part is that, you know, there's a lot of open interest, fam. And when that open interest gets liquidated, we get some crazy volatile move to the downside. You know, we're in trouble. And, you know, look, we want to talk about simple things like meme lines. Well, did he check out the liquidity meme line? Because this was a perfect meme line retest. Sol is dropping. That's right. Sol is dropping. Yeah. You know, we're gonna see a bounce here into the 4 hour close. They kind of want to. They're gonna make a bottom wick here. They're gonna make a bottom wick, fam. This walk down's crazy. Anyways, yeah, they're gonna make a bottom wick here on the 4 hour candle, but it really isn't over yet, fam. I mean, this could be a shakeout before a breakout. Inge is the same thing. As long as Inge holds that 39.50, we're not going anywhere. Look at this. And this Sol trade's turning into a nice trade, huh? Let's try it out. Boom. Back to the chart. I gotta fix something on the Teal Street page. There we go. They're trying to hold it together here, fam. You can see it. Let's go to these lower time frames on Biddy. Man, look at dude, Bitcoin. Wow. Bitcoin's in trouble, dude. Bitcoin's in trouble. This might dump on the 4 hour. This might dump heavy into this 4 hour close. Bitcoin is in trouble. But you know what's not in trouble? JLP, the Jupe liquidity token that I told you all to buy at $1.80, $1.79. I told you all to buy it, and it's gonna break out. It's gonna break out. Look at this. It's gonna break out. It's gonna be like 210, 215. All right, Bitcoin gonna do it? Come on. Come on, just cross the 21 EMA and the 50 EMA, Bitcoin. Just do it, man. Come on, just cross it. Why can't you cross it? Come on, just cross it. That's all I want. Sol is bullish in your opinion. Yep. Sure it is. Baby. It might be. It might be. So is Inge and so is everything else. Maybe you're right. But we will see, bud. We will see. We will see. You know, it's funny is blind, you know, a lot of people think it's bullish too. I mean, I don't disagree. It could be bullish. I don't disagree. Solana could be bullish. You know, this isn't the, I would argue this isn't the best 4 hour close to be arguing any alt is bullish. This is a pretty ugly 4 hour close. I'd hate to lose that 21 EMA again. You know, maybe alts rip, man. Maybe alts rip. You have a short open from 47,750. I had that short too, Chris. I had that short too. But I don't marry the trade. I'm always looking for another trade. I closed most of it at 30. Not even the bottom, like 30. 32.8. 32.8, yeah. Patiently waiting for that 4 hour close. Patience. It's a low leverage one. I mean, Chris, my plan was originally to just add to my short on the way down. But I decided not to do that. If we got back up above 47K, I'm definitely taking another short. I just put your profit, like, yeah, I don't, you know, do you. I just think that, I guess there's a chance we can go back up there and feel some of that wick on Bitcoin. I got like my Jupe chart over here. Watching the Solana liquidity chart. You guys should see. Oh man, these charts are ugly. Uh, this is the perfect song for the dump, fam. The perfect song for the dump. But then again, Chris, you know what you could do is if we go back up above 47K, I would add more. Thoughts on Unibot? OQ? Unibot. Is Unibot the Solana one? Q. OQ. Is it the Solana one or is it the... Which one? Ether or Solana? Yo, Zaya, thank you for that follow. Ether, okay. Dog with hat doing a crazy run right now. I don't know. Right now, personally, this looks pretty bad, right? It's got like an engulfing daily. I mean, there's some time to save that. That's a pretty ugly chart. Retesting though. Ooh. Actually. This is... It could go a little lower. This is actually a really good setup. It depends on how the market holds up. But I think if the market bounces, certainly bounce, fam, then this is a really good setup. I mean, make this box a little bit bigger. So 80 to... I call it 80 to 85. I mean, this is kind of how you have to hit it. You got this daily over here. This resistance kind of, it's a pretty big zone, but if this is a spot play, right? This is a Uniswap. So this would be a spot play. I would just add basically anywhere. You could get a wicked wick on this. But if you got a wick on this, I'd fucking buy it up. If you got a wick down to like 70 on like some crazy nuke, Bitcoin nuke. How's Bitcoin looking right now? 42.5536. Ugly 4 hour that's coming in on Bitcoin here, fam. We'll get to that in a second, but this is, yeah, I like that. Dog whiff hat short, herb server. But you're a human whiff hat. Is this some type of shill? Is this some type of shill? I'm not getting rug pulled. Let me see. How you gonna say it's doing some crazy run, dude? Look at that daily. What are you talking about, bro? Dude. Paper handed at 140 million. No, not this. Okay, okay. I was like, dog with hat. Oh, this one. Yeah, I mean, I don't hate it. I actually don't hate it. I'm just afraid that if Bitcoin don't hold here, fam, that a lot of these are gonna wick down. I don't hate this though, you know, little rising wedgie, a little bit rising wedgie there, fam. Look at the last time it kind of had a top. Oh, this is a 5 minute. This is the 5 minute chart. Excuse me, fam. Four hour doesn't look bad. That's closing right now in 4 minutes. Hmm. 1 hour, you know, just retesting support here. Damn, dude, look at this coin. Holy shit. This is crazy. How low is it over here? Oh. What? Fam, this was 501366. Holy shit. I want to see the top traders in this shit, dude. Bought, sold. That's pretty good fucking trade, dude. This guy went in with 3.7 million. This dude went in with 3.7 million, cashed out at 5.9. He bought all the tokens. He wasn't a founder or anything. This guy made 2.1 million. He's the top trader for this coin. This coin's been out since fucking November. This coin did better than Pepe, I would argue. I think this coin did better than Pepe. Holy fuck, dude. I don't even know if I can get that low. %. 100% did better than Pepe. That is crazy. Somebody else bought 5.6 million and then sold it for 7.3 for a net gain of 1.6 million. Imagine having the cojones. Imagine having the cojones to put 3.7 million in. These guys aren't fucking founders, dude. They basically had, well, this person had, crazy. These is not the greatest close for Bitcoin right now. Or anything. Here's total 2 about to cross bearish. No alt is safe right now. Solana, don't like losing the 4 hour here. Like this looks pretty clean to me. That's a pretty clean 4 hour here. Getting choppy, dumped on 4 hour Bitcoin. Not sure I like that. Personally, we're gonna get a bounce here on the new 4 hour candle though. Give me a second, I'm gonna go get a sip of water. Great close there by Bitcoin, fam. I think Bitcoin's definitely going to 100K by tomorrow. Jokes, fam. Jokes. Let's go check all the coins. All right, let's check out the 8 hour. I think the 8 hour is important, fam. I think it is. All right. The 8 hour close. Uh-oh. I wonder if Captain Ronald McDonald that decided to counter trade me checked the 8 hour resistance there. I wonder if Ronald McDonald and Captain McFucking there in my Discord that wanted to counter trade me. I hope he checked the 8 hour. You know, it'd be a shame if he didn't check the 8 hour there. Oh man, the meme line breakout. Yeah, blind. What happened to bullish Solana? My man. Thought it was bullish. It could be. Could be. I could be completely wrong. I could be completely wrong. We got a God candle one way or another. It could be up, it could be down in the next 8 hour. Oh, I'm assuming it's not going to be good for alts. Again, we got the blind. The reason you got to look at the bigger picture, my man. This is the 4 hour trend on total too. All right. The 4 hour trend. Beautiful trend. Beautiful. That beautiful trend. Unfortunately, this 4 hour trend is being lost because the 21 EMA is slowing down here and is about to cross down the 50 EMA. And when you have that kind of slowdown, that crushing of the 50 EMA by the 21 EMA, it's getting this real tight. Not really the best look. It looks bearish. Almost retested the golden pocket here, the total two. Didn't quite get there. Could easily turn it around. I'm not going to say no to obviously a different scenario, but you know, I just say things look bearish. So, look, this is how the inch just fucking closed. That's the inch 8 hour. I don't know about that. The inch 8 hour. Oh, we'll see, fam. Anyways, mad love, appreciate all you. I'm going to just think of, I totally agree. It's a new 4 hour candle. We're probably going to bounce first. If we go lower, we're probably going to bounce first. But this next 3 hour candle on Bitcoin is really important. And that's what you got to look at. You got to look at this 3 hour candle because you get another death candle like this on the 3 hour. Yeah, this could be sent down in 2 hours. As soon as 2 hours. This isn't the greatest look for this is an ugly look. Just a bleed down, fam. It's distribution. I'm favoring longing alts lower. I am so ready for it. But you can't fool me in this market. I will not be fooled. Inge is holding the level too. It's interesting because here's Inge holding the level. 3 hour low volatility, could rip back up. Oh man, I would have loved if it engulfed. Inge is holding the invalidation for the long, so really it's, you know, it's still this play. An inch. Again, play the range. We just got to play the range, fam. Could have had a little. I think we're gonna tap this 39.51 though. I'd play that a little bit lower. But I don't think that's gonna happen. 1 hour across here. I don't know. I don't think that's gonna happen. This is how you're supposed to play it though, fam. Range highs, range lows. Obviously though, I'm you know, I put that up. I'm definitely favoring this short. You know, this is what I favor personally, but this is kind of the area you don't want to be short. You could have got short higher above 40. Solana's nuking. I think this is really the play now, unfortunately. Where is it? Oh, we're gonna feel that way. And then I think it's like there. This is what I'm favoring kind of long term, and then this is what I think is and this is where you want to put your spot limits, fam. I think anywhere above stagger your spot limits for Inge above the all-time high. So this 20 right here. Spot basically anywhere above 20 to 30 staggered spot for Inge. 100%, fam. And I'll do the same just because I have very little exposure to Inge. Inge total market cap is very low, has a lot of room to grow, fam. Same with ARB. So does ARB. Let's check out Inge. Inge is 25th. Holy fuck, dude. 3.3 billion, fam. 3.3 billion. If it were to get to top 10, which it belongs there, we're talking about a 3 to 4x from here. I think Inge, this is the ultimate play right here for Inge. This is the short-term play. Could easily see some volatility like that. It's gonna be about Bitcoin's next 3-hour close, fam. I'm telling you right now, they're gonna at least tap this 39.51. Could get ugly though. I wonder if we wick a little bit lower. I don't know. Inge is a tricky one, fam. Inge is certainly a tricky one. 15 minutes, 6 minutes left. Okay, this could roll it back. Anyways, fam, mad love, appreciate all you. I'll be back tomorrow, Thursday stream. Look out for me. And y'all have a great day, okay? Be safe, be safe, be safe. Don't catch knives, fam. I would say don't catch knives. That's kind of my